In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a workflow on Monday.com. Whether you're managing projects, onboarding clients, or handling HR requests, setting up a workflow effectively can make all the difference. So let's dive into it. First, we need to identify your workflow. Begin by outlining the process you wish to manage. Think about the major tasks involved and break these into stages or steps. For instance, if you're working on a project workflow, your stages can be as simple as planning, in progress, review, and completed. Visualize this as a blueprint that will guide the entire setup process. Next, let's create a new board within Monday.com. Head over to your workspace and click on the plus sign to add a new board. Name this board after your workflow, something clear and direct like project workflow, which will help you and your team identify it quickly. Once your board is created, add groups to represent the different stages or categories you've outlined. This step is pivotal as it sets the foundation for how tasks move through your workflow. Now let's add some key columns. These columns are the lifelines of your workflow, providing crucial information at a glance. Common columns you'll want to include are item name, which refers to the task or project name, and owner, indicating who will handle the task. Include a status column to track progress with simple indicators like to do, in progress, and done. Consider adding a priority column to tag tasks as low, medium, or high priority. A deadline column will help you keep track of important dates, and a notes or updates column will provide space for any additional information. Once your board is set up with groups and columns, it's time to customize your views. Having different views will improve visibility and enhance your understanding of the workflow's progression. The table view offers a straightforward layout, while the Kanban view allows for visual drag-and-drop organization. For a more time-centric view, the timeline or Gantt view can help you track deadlines and dependencies, and the calendar view will show you a snapshot of tasks by date. With automation, you can make your workflow more efficient. Automations can do things like moving an item to a completed group once its status changes to done, sending notifications to assignees when a due date arrives, or assigning new tasks to a project manager instantly as they come in. Integrating Monday.com with your existing tools can further streamline your process. Syncing with Google Calendar or Outlook keeps deadlines in view, while Slack or Teams integrations ensure instant notifications. Connecting Docs, Drive, or Dropbox allows you to attach files directly to your workflow tasks, making sure everything you need is in one place. Finally, to ensure you're on top of your workflow's performance, make use of dashboards for tracking. Dashboards allow you to create widgets like the status widget to see task completion percentages, the workload widget to assess team capacity, and the numbers widget to track key performance indicators. And there you have it, a fundamental framework for setting up a workflow in Monday.com that can be tailored to suit virtually any project or process you manage. Through clear stages, intuitive column organization, automation, and integration, your work becomes not only more manageable but also much more productive.